Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Flare Network. Incredible innovation. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, bonuses, offers, benefits, discounts, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their products. They've got a biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. Anyways, let's see what's happening with the Flare in real time, what the community is saying, and what official handles are saying. For official news, let's see what Hugo is saying, the CEO, the founder. He's always active. This is why I come to his channel to see what's happening. He always provides good insights. So let's see what's new. Look at this. 5 hours ago, Hugo has reposted this. It is from official Flare Network's handle. Can't make this up. Thank you, builders on Flare. Easy deployment, smooth and easy, good finality. Keep up the incredible innovation you're bringing to the community. Let's see these reviews over here. I mean, this is awesome. How easy is it to use your technologies? 1, very difficult. 10, very easy. So this is almost 7 out of 10 over here. Building on Flare has been a valuable experience as its enshrined data protocols provide a reliable foundation for integrating decentralized data into AI applications. We see significant potential in Flare's ecosystem for advancing projects that merge blockchain with machine learning, and we are excited to explore further applications in decentralized AI. AI, obviously, in the future, it's going to be huge, and decentralized AI is something that a concept that people are exploring, projects are exploring, and it has significant use case in blockchain, and Flare is no different. It is trying to make the best make the best possible innovation for AI, decentralized AI, and provide use case to their network in the process as well. Okay, so look at this. This is 10 out of 10. Flare's unique ability to offer high-quality, decentralized price data across chains has been invaluable, and we look forward to seeing further enhancements to the developer tools and community support. This is one of the best use cases of Flare, that they are relying on their own enshrined oracles for price data, the FTSO, and related systems. They are not relying on third-party softwares or third-party systems, basically third-party apps that can compromise security in the long run. This is great. It is a layer 1 and relying on its own Oracle solutions. How easy it is to use? Okay, so this is again 7 out of 10. Flare's, I think FTSO Oracle was incredibly easy to use, which made integrating it into our project super smooth. So this is practical use case that people have used it, or projects have used it, and they're now reviewing it. The developers, basically, the documentation was clear and straightforward, and everything just worked as expected, which is a huge plus. Hopefully, FDC, the Flare data connectors, will have the same level of awesome documentation and ease of use as FTSO. So I think it has been given 7 out of 10 because the FDC, the Flare data connectors, are yet to mature, as well as the FTSO solutions. And this is practical use case. This is not on theory. Now people and developers are using it. using the solutions that FLR is providing basically. Okay, so this is a 10 out of 10 again. The integration is seamless like never before and had a lot of coffee, thanks. One suggestion would be having stablecoin on testnet. Would love to contribute in any way. Okay, so this is cool. Really good insights over here. New all-time high for daily transactions on FLR Network's mainnet. Set your alarm because we're releasing an in-depth breakdown on FLR very soon. Look at this. The FLR mainnet transactions have gone to all-time highs. Awesome. And they have continuously risen. Look at this. From October 2022 all the way to 2024, we have seen this is a stale phase, but this can be seen as that long accumulation phase, and this can be seen as a traditional breakout over here, then a correction, and then slowly and gradually it is rising again. So this is natural, a really natural looking pattern over here. Are you ready for FTSO version 2? FTSO version 1 will be deprecated on November 21st. Only V2 data providers and delegators will earn rewards. Awesome. Look at this. Very interesting use cases. I particularly like the concept of proof of learning using the FLR data connector. It could be a nice use case between blockchain and AI. Look at this. Okay, we've just wrapped up the Ethereum Global Bangkok Hackathon. Congrats to the FLR tracks winners. Here's a recap of what they built. Okay, so look at this. Best use case of FLR's enshrined data protocols. Heptagon AI. From the look of things, it seems like this is an AI-based solution. Crypto MT $2,000, second position. Third, bronze. Meme Bank, interesting name over here. And these hackathons are really good for exposures and for connecting with like-minded institutions and individuals. This is the best use case. Look at this, Heptagon AI. What is this? Proof of learning AI training. Okay, training that uses Filecoin for dataset storage, Falati for proof verification, and what it uses FLR network for? It uses it for data collection and price feeds. Okay, so FLR is trying to provide that accurate, reliable, and low-cost data price feeds. Awesome. This is great. What is this Crypto MT? Crypto Modern Portfolio Theory. Trade-off between risk and returns. The Crypto MT combines the rigor of traditional financial theory with the transparency and automation of blockchain, making it a valuable tool for investors and DeFi ecosystems. This is awesome. And what I'm interested in is the meme bank. What is this? I mean, meme bank by Danik Beda, a meme coin. Okay, a meme coin lending and borrowing protocol leveraging FTSO. So it is trying to leverage the use case of FLR FTSO. Awesome. Outpair by PK Shadow Surfer. Okay, Picarthi. Provides concentrated liquidity in the option chain on DEXs, improving price discovery for market makers using FTSO price feeds. So you can see that the use case for FTSO and accurate data is growing. We are so much excited to work with FLR Networks and make this project a grand success. Thank you, FLR Network team. You guys are so much cooperative and helpful. Awesome to learn. Okay. Look at this. What is this? Just a moment. It seems interesting. This from Golden FLR Permabull. Great interview by Hugo Fillion on EO enshrined oracles are the way forward. You can follow this link to see the whole video, the whole interview. But let's see what Hugo has to say over here in this 1-minute video. Seems interesting.
FLR really is the only blockchain which we describe as third generation. It enshrines data directly into the chain. First generation being Bitcoin, simple transactions. Second generation being Ethereum, adding logic to those transactions. Third generation, FLR, adding data to the logic. Has just hit about 1 million wallet, 100 to 150,000 daily active users. So they're bringing value from other blockchain ecosystems to FLR to be used on FLR with the data provision services that are provided by FLR within the blockchain environment. You shouldn't be doing anything based on trust because you don't know the counterparty and you don't have any legal recourse. Essentially what DeFi is doing today is it's using a trust-based model, which is very similar to TradFi, except is that TradFi are bound by laws, whereas an Oracle provider has no laws. In order for DeFi or any other application that relies on data to be valid, you need to have a way to secure those oracles that is clear, open, and provides a similar sort of safety as the blockchain itself. We think the best way to do that is to put the oracles fundamentally into the chain, bring DeFi actually decentralized.
So folks, do you believe Flare Network is bringing incredible innovation to the space? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.